Hello mga Camry! Good evening to everyone. This is our night in our life just nowadays. So we have a chance na makalibot ulit, makagala, makapaglakad-lakad. So the first place we went to was in Almaca Park. It's opposite of the Greenwich Plaza. Then from there, we went on Oriental restaurant. They have some mountains and small bridge. It's nice also for taking a pictures. And on the opposite side on another road, we went also to Doha Fish Port na kung saan maraming bangkang nandoon. And nagala-gala kami, naglakad-lakad. So nag-picture din kami just to get some silhouette pictures. And so nice. We met a lot of people, different nationalities. Even Myanmar, they are do the fishing. After that, naglakad-lakad kami ulit papuntang Doha Port. Old Doha Port. So papunta kami ng Mina Port, papunta kami sa Box Park. Then nakita namin yung parang siyang isang aquarium na maliit for the wave. Like practicing sa mga nagsusurf. Basta may small wave doon. So I guess it's 250 per hour. And sa may Doha Box Park naman, meron din restaurant. They have some shops, pero hindi pa kasi open yung tea time until now. They're still renovating or they're gonna move in the second floor. Bakala lang yung napuntahan namin. And last, we went to Minat Street. Hindi na kami nakapag-picture kasi habang naglalakad kami, kumakain kami. Napunta kami sa may fish market, yung air-conditioned fish market na walang amoy, na walang lansa. They are open from 7 a.m. up to 10 p.m. every day. I guess, if you are like us, na medyo malakas na yung loob natin lumabas, try nyo din maglakad-lakad because the weather is really, really, really nice. And you don't need expensive food. You can just having a coffee while walking, or you can sit over the side of the sea. There is some chairs on the boardwalk too. It's really huge, and it's good to be with the people that you can call a friend. You would enjoy every minute, and I hope you find also Mr. Prakash on the golf cart. He will tour you around. And thank you for watching with us, and keep safe everyone. See you again.